Looking for a powerful solution for your next PC? Something with a modern design and great airflow? With connectivity that's small enough to fit on your desk? Today, we'll show you the Prestige P100, a great choice for creators with ultra-fast processing and a powerful GPU, all with a tiny footprint. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Rick, your host for MSI Procast, and we've got a real powerhouse here that's packed inside this tiny frame. MSI's Prestige P100 is a high-end PC which aims to improve your workflow, and it's the winner of Computex 2019's Best Choice Award. Easily fitting on your desk, it has future upgradability options, so it'll stay up to date with your needs. The Prestige P100 packs a ton of power in the tiny case of just 10 liters, including the power supply. It's built with top-end components to be stable under heavy loads, all with great airflow. Outfitted with a custom mini ITX board and Z390 chipset to handle an Intel i9-9900K CPU, it can handle heavy tasks like video editing, rendering, and multitasking graphics applications. And for gaming and streaming, we've got that down with an MSI GeForce RTX 2080 Ti 11GB GDDR6 graphics card for the best graphics and highest frame rates. The GPU exhausts out of the top, and in the future, if you decide to swap out video cards, unscrew the top to access the card's screws and power. Remove the rear screws, then the two clips that stabilize the graphics card. And after disconnecting the power, a flathead screwdriver will help to lift the PCI tab, and the card comes out easily, so you can upgrade down the road to future graphics cards. Multiple screens are no problem with MSI's GeForce RTX 2080 Ti 11GB, which can drive 4 displays through triple DisplayPort 1.4 connectors, an HDMI 2.0B, and DisplayPort over USB Type-C with HDCP 2.2 support. For memory, we have DDR4 2400 or 2666 options with a max of 64 gigs. There's space for 2 M.2 SSDs, 1 terabyte drive is installed, and it's easy to add an additional drive down the road. And 2 SSD spots with 1 2 terabyte SSD pre-installed, and the caddies can unscrew when you need to add more storage. The Prestige P100 has our Silent Pro cooling design with a 3-chamber design to effectively cool the power supply, GPU, and CPU separately. And while removing heat, it still provides a quiet working experience at 37.5 decibels at full load, 30 decibels at normal operation, and a very low 21.5 decibels at idle. It accomplishes this by having its power supply, CPU, and graphics card all in different chambers, each with independent intakes and exhausts. This prevents heat transfer and leads to more efficient and quieter cooling. Motherboard Connectivity has onboard HDMI and DisplayPort, dual USB 3.1 Gen 2, dual USB 3.1 Gen 1, gigabit LAN, and more. You can get optional Intel Wi-Fi 6 as well, and everything is powered by a 450 to 650 watt power supply for the top-of-the-line components. Front I/O has a handy USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C for the latest mobile devices and flash drives, a USB 3.1 Gen 1 and 2.0 port, and HD audio. Our Creator Center allows you to easily add applications and fine-tune settings for each, with options for CPU affinity and optimized GPU and memory performance. Paired with MSI's Prestige PS341WU Professional 34-inch 5K monitor, it not only looks sleek, but has the power you need to take on any project. The link to that video will be here. This combo makes for a very productive, stable, and capable workstation for all your creative needs. For more information about possible configurations for the Prestige P100, please check MSI's website for more details. Now we want to know, what kind of tasks would you want to do on the Prestige P100? What graphics programs or video editing software do you usually use? Please let us know down in the comments. If you like this video, then please smash the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to MSI for the latest news. Thanks for joining us today, and happy creating. See you all in the next episode.